Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about the best penny stocks to buy that are below $5 that analysts say have immense growth potential. We will also talk about penny stocks that are below $1 per share, which will be especially advantageous for stock traders because many of these stocks have huge growth catalysts coming up. Remember to go and press the like button right now for more videos like this one, comment down below your favorite penny stock, subscribe and turn on all subscription notifications to stay informed. And now let's get right into today's stories. Before we go over these penny stocks, I want to make sure that you are aware of the risks that are associated with investing into such speculative companies, because even though many of these stocks can grow up to 100% in just 24 hours, many penny stocks do not experience such intense growth, which means that we need to be very careful when investing into these companies. I also want to add that you should conduct your own research to determine if these companies are worth investing into regarding your own personal portfolio. But with that being said, let's get right into our first penny stock. Our first penny stock is Catapult Holdings, ticker symbol KPLT, which according to Fintel data, the company has a short interest of around 12%. However, both insiders and analysts are very bullish on this stock, which is a great sign. Catapult focuses on point of sales lease to own financing, and recently they have beat their earnings and revenue estimates in their most recent earnings report, which has impressed analysts. Multiple directors of this company have bought up more shares recently between the prices of $3.08 and $3.74, which is a very positive sign. Analysts have a price target for KPLT stock that is 77% higher than its current price of $3.20, with its low-end analyst price prediction coming in at $6 and its high-end price target being $7 per share. Next up, we have Progenity, ticker symbol PROG, and this stock has skyrocketed from $2 up to $6, but has recently cooled off and it's now trading at around $2 per share. Progenity specializes in making diagnostics platforms, and analysts are very optimistic about this company because analysts believe that in 1 year, this stock could be trading at 55% higher than its current value. The current stock price for PROG stock is $2.23, the low-end price target is $2, and the high-end price prediction is $4 per share. So in essence, an investor could double their money here. Next up, we have Arbutus Biopharma, ticker symbol ABUS, and this company has been in the news lately because of their conflict with Moderna. The two companies were in conflict over Arbutus's lipid formulations for nucleic acid delivery. However, the European Patent Office and the US Court of Appeals have supported that Arbutus is the company that truly owns this intellectual property and that Moderna has no standing to appeal. The abstract for this delivery system says that the present invention provides compositions comprising nucleic acid molecules, such as mRNA molecules, encapsulated within lipid particles. The compositions are useful, for example, to introduce the mRNA molecules into a human subject where they are translated to produce a polypeptide that functions to ameliorate one or more symptoms of a disease, end quote. Arbutus also has other treatments in their pipeline, such as a contender that will hopefully help treat hepatitis B. Analysts rate the ABUS stock as a buy right now, and for good reason, because its current stock price is around $4.16, its low-end price target is $4 per share, and its high-end price prediction is $10, which gives us as investors great upside from its current price. Next up, we have Alzheimer's Neuro, and the ticker symbol is ALZN, which has gotten good news because their dementia-related treatment is in phase 1 trials, and the results are supposed to be very impressive, which were supposed to come out in mid-December of 2021 or late December of 2021. However, those dates were more speculation based off of management and investors, and nothing hardcore or set in stone from the FDA themselves. The company specializes in developing treatments for neurodegenerative diseases and psychiatric disorders. We also saw insiders of the company recently purchased over 20,000 shares of ALZN, which is always a fantastic sign when insiders are buying more of the stock of the company that they work for. The current stock price is $2.15, the low-end price target is $8 per share, and the high-end price prediction is $15 per share, which would provide investors tremendous upside for this particular stock. Next up, we have CTI Biopharma, ticker symbol CTIC, and the stock has been trending down lately until the FDA announced that it will be extending their review for their application for a treatment that will help treat myelofibrosis, and that new date is February 28th of 2022, and that has caused their stock price to jump by a whole 40% after the decline. Analysts give the CTIC stock a buy rating with a set price target of around $7, which would infer a 246% jump higher in the stock price because the current stock price is $2.42, the low-end price prediction is $4 per share, and the high-end price target for the stock is $15. Next up, we have Inspira Technologies OXY BHN, ticker symbol IINN. According to data from Fintel, the stock's overall float is very small, and the short interest in this company is 9.6%. But the best part is that Inspira has been signing new deals to distribute their ART or ART devices. 2,500 ART units will be delivered over the next 7 years in Spain, Eastern Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and various other locations. Analysts have a buy rating for the IINN stock with an updated price target of $9 per share, which would be a 117% upside from the current price of $3.66. However, the high-end price target goes all the way up to $10 per share. Our next penny stock is under $1 per share, and its name is Sesen Bio, ticker symbol SESN. The reason why their stock price is below $1 is because they have failed to obtain FDA approval for their bladder cancer treatment. However, they are going to try to obtain this for a second time. Management has been releasing more details about their resubmission plans. However, this is more of a very speculative play even for a penny stock. But I do want to add, before they failed to obtain their FDA approval, the stock price was trading at around $6 per share, and right now it's trading at only 88 cents. So if they do regain FDA approval, I wouldn't be surprised for it to shoot back up to $6. However, analysts tend to think that the stock on the low end is worth $1.50 and on the high end is worth $3 per share, which would give investors at least some reason to invest into this very speculative company. Up next, we have Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. And this has been somewhat of a meme stock because Reddit traders have boosted the stock price, but since the giant boost and surge in the stock price, it has fallen nearly 85% from its highs. This is a lettuce company, and after there has been no legalization of lettuce for this year, short-term investors have taken their profits and money out of the stock after the gigantic surge, so this would be a very long-term play until lettuce is legalized federally throughout the entire United States. Now, from personal experience and on a personal note, even if it is legalized, there are other stocks and even ETFs that I think would actually outperform this particular stock. But if you are still interested in this stock, the current stock price is 67 cents, the low-end price target for this stock is 50 cents, and the high-end price prediction is 97 cents per share. Next up, we have Ensysce Biosciences, ticker symbol ENSC, and I am very excited for this particular company because this company has life-changing treatments. This company can develop opioids, which are pain relievers that are used in pain treatments, which normally lead to abuse or overdose, but apparently with these particular treatments, you can't abuse it or overdose on these particular opioids, which is absolutely fantastic. Analysts are very interested in this company and therefore their stock, so recently, they gave this stock a price target of $6 per share, which is a huge increase from the stock's current price that we're going to talk about later. This price increase and price target was established after the company had their second trial or their second study of their activated opioids, which has led to very important data that gives credence to this company that their technology is working, and more studies are expected to be released in the second quarter of 2022, which would give this company a perfect catalyst for their stock price to absolutely ignite and shoot upwards. The current stock price for the ENSC stock is $5.12. The low-end price prediction by analysts is $4 per share, and the high-end price target is $13.50 per share, and of course analysts give this stock a clear buy rating right now. Next up, we have Advanced Human Imaging, ticker symbol AHI, and this company recently went public with their initial public offering being very small. This company offers a smartphone-based human scanning technology that can be used in several different industries and applications, but it's mainly centered around health and wellness. The company also had a recent partnership with Next Medical or Next Medical, and the CEO is very proud of this because this is going to help both companies further infiltrate the overall market. We have seen the success of companies like Teladoc, and this company can also be very useful. The current stock price trades at around $4.90. However, I want you all to do your own research, especially because many of these stocks are speculative investments, they are penny stocks, and they are high risk, high reward. So please go down and write your price target for this stock, see what you find on the internet, do your own research. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Like this video right now, it helps me out a ton. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.